Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the alternative of MS Office. If we want to use MS Office, then we have to pay a lot of money. But this software is completely free. In today's video, I will tell you about the LibreOffice. First, we go to download LibreOffice. How to download it? Go to search bar and type LibreOffice. Press enter. Click on first website. When it opens, click on download button and click download LibreOffice and click on download. Downloading is start. Just wait to download. Downloading is complete. Let's install it now. For this, click on download and click on open. Just wait to install it. Click next and click finish and click install. Now click on finish. LibreOffice is installed in our PC. Here it is. Double click on it to open it. LibreOffice are open. There are 6 tools here. Writer document will work instead of MS Word. Calc spreadsheet works like MS Excel. Impress presentation works like PowerPoint. If you want to make drawing etc., then for that you get draw drawing tools. Along with it, there are option of math formula and base database. Now we will open writer document. You will get all those options that are available in MS Word, but it is not MS Word. Another interesting option is that you can easily convert any document to PDF. If you complete your document for convert to PDF, click on File and click on Export and just change from here PDF portable document and select your location and save it. Here you can see the file is in PDF format is available here. This was today's video. Like this video and subscribe to channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.